Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how to fix 90 days restriction error on Roblox on PS5 and PS4. Let's see the step-by-step solution for this error. Step 1. Check account age. Ensure your Roblox account is at least 90 days old. New account can face features restriction. How to check? Go to roblox.com. Click on Login, then Settings, then go to the Account Info, check Account Created Date. Step 2. Verify your mail. Go to Settings, then select Account Info, then verify your email address. Step 3. Check Region Setting. Simply go to your roblox.com and select Settings, then go to Account Info, then Location, select the correct country and save it. Next we have Review and Privacy Setting. Go to the settings, then select privacy and content maturity, then adjust setting to allow communication, join expenses, and other features. Step 5. Disable parent pin. Simply go to the settings and select parental control, then click on parent pin, then disable or adjust restriction. Now you that log out, then restart and try again. Log out of Roblox, then restart your PS5 and PS4 and simply log back it, wait and try again. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.